I'm back. Let's go to Vermosa, shall we? I don't know if you guys can hear me because it's very, very loud. It's very, very airy. But that's why I brought my microphone because of that reason. So now we're going to District Palamuna bago kami pumunta ng Vermosa. Kasi they have an appointment um, for their lashes. Yeah, their lashes. My sister and my mom. So that's why we're going to District first before we go to Vermosa. Whoa, it's so hot. It's so hot. Low-key kind of shy vlogging. So that's why I'm doing this very low-key. Anyways, we're in Jaka right now. Happy birthday. It's very low-key right now. Anyways, bye-bye. I'll just update you guys later. You guys are walking na. And I'm currently listening to um BTS. Oh my god, may kambing! BTS! May kasalanan pala tayo. BTS, body to body. So yeah, we're gonna keep walking, guys. Kami lang talaga dito. Yay! My vlog is gonna be a little shaky since I'm walking, but I think it's okay, right? Yeah, look at that. Whoa. Yeah. Look at this guy. Look at the path, guys. That's so long. And parang baba pa yun dun. Grabe. And hindi pa yun tapos. Wait. Gusto mo ano muna tayo? Pahinga muna tayo. Pahinga muna kami, guys. Ah! I'll show you guys how hot it is. Super init. Pero super ganda ng view. Pero how do you expect us to walk and run here? Siniwan ako ni ate. Joke lang, nagpaiwan talaga ako. Let's go and have a food trip. Kasi like, medyo pagod na ako. So, let's have a food trip. Guys, babalik na kami and it's very hot. Tingnan mo yung buhok ko. Super crazy yun na. Pero like, look at the view, guys. We're going back now. And sabi na nga, tama na nga, madami na ang tao. So, guys, let's go eat. Look at this. This is mine. This is mine, guys. Ha? Uy, ate nakalakyan. Kahit sa camera ko, ano yung sa'yo? Huwag na, kinamay ko na eh. Look at that. Sarap niya, guys. So good. Tama mo ba yan? Wag. Kasama ko yan. Patikin na sa'yo. Ano tawag dito? Ano this?
Meron talagang ganito?
Sa'yo? Sige, yan na, okay lang.
Meron talagang baka mo na. Meron talagang ganito. Meron talagang ganito, ma? Ha? Meron talagang ganito.
Oo, galing.
Meron talagang Gano'n ka nilalakad? Wala. Kumain na lang yan ng tinapay.
Ha? Grabe ka naman sa akin. Naglako talaga ako, guys.
Kumain ka na. Sarap naman ito, ma.
Muna kinuhanan ako ng yelo.
Hindi, parang masarap eh. Tikman mo.
Tubig yan?
Ano yan?
Tubig. Tubig yan? Okay, so yeah. Say hi, say hi, say hi, say hi. Aww. Ayaw niya mag-hi.
Okay.